Hello viewers, welcome back once again to my channel for yet another interesting video. Sorry it took a while to post another video here. So this time I'm going to show you something interesting on how to inspect the links inside the SMS, service SMS that you get from your carrier service provider. Okay, so let's jump in. So first things first, you can see here for our example, I'm taking the Vodafone company here. You can see here there are two SMS. On the top it says VT-VI capital I care, and the bottom one says VA-VI small I care. So you may suspect that which one is the legitimate one, because VI, the I is always small in the for the V company, that is the Vodafone Idea partnership company. So you may doubt that whether to click on the links that you get from VCAT. So if I go inside the first one, that is the capital I, you can see here it says that activate and manage do not disturb service on V app, something like that. Actually, I don't need these kind of things, as I've already said to the service provider that your certain things are like this, that, and everything's all, but they just keep sending SMS. So the suspects, usually the cyber criminals, used to do such things even though you have not opted for any service SMS like that or so. And also you can see here, you may doubt whether the site is legitimate, because v.app.link, actually the link, the dot link is the top level domain TLD, and the app is the main one. Usually vi will be the main site, that is for v main website of v company is myv.in. I will show you here. So this is how you should do. You can see here I have gone into the search box and typed in va.app.link in Google, and it has directed me to welcome.vi. I will open it in another private tab. Usually it is best to open in private browsing, so that even if there are any trackers, when you close it, it will erase automatically. As you can see here, it directs me to Vodafone Idea Limited, and there is a tick mark saying that this one is a legitimate site. So this is how you should inspect your links. So once again, I will close the site here. Oops. Okay, so this is how you should inspect. And going on the bottom, recently I received a SMS from them stating that there's an important message from their CEO Akshay Mundra, something that directs to the short URL bit.ly/viceo. So when you usually tap on SMS like this, it usually directs to that site. So what you can do is, instead of clicking on the URL, you can either copy that URL on the whole. On the top right you can see here, sorry, on the top you can see there's a copy. So I have copied this SMS, and what I would do is I will paste this in a notepad, and I will copy the link only instead of the whole text. And you can see on the left side there's a browser icon here. I'm going to click on it, and it directs me to this website. So actually it is a content. On the top you can see here it opens myva.in/content images, and it is an image sent by the CEO Mr. Akshay Mondra. But actually it is not safe to open such links. What you should do instead is, you should go to the private browsing section, like from any browser. Especially it is preferable to open in Firefox Focus. So I will type in here the site. So to inspect that site, what I will do is, that is the short URL. There is a site called, you can type in like URL detective, short URL detective. Just a minute, give me a time. See, there is a nice site called Redirect Detective. I will just tap on it, press and hold, and open it in a new tab. And here you can type in the short URL, which is bit.ly slash VICEO. So I'm going to click search, What it does is this site, you don't know whether the short URLs you receive through any social media apps or through any referrals is legitimate or not. So usually it is a better idea to just open these sites in this these kind of sites in this site, that is redirect detective. What it does is uh, it makes it just shows what the real site is, what real which is the real site behind this short URL, the original site. So as you can see here, the bit.ly PACO is a permanent redirect to the bottom site, which is https www.myba.in, which is the original website of V company slash content microsite images custom image. Okay, so this is the final destination. So it is legitimate, as we can see here. So this is how you should do. Even though, let me tell you that even though this is a legitimate site, since it is not advisable to open such sites directly, because maybe the company itself would have got hit by some ransomware attack or some it got hacked, and the perpetrator may have installed the malware without the knowledge of the sysadmins of that company. So you may be the victim, and the company will just simply wash away the hand, or just they will say that they will apologize for this kind of act, and you will be the receiving end. So it is always better to avoid opening the site directly. Instead, you can go to sites like redirectdetective.com, and you can paste in the short URL, and it will redirect and show you where this link actually points to. That is the original site. Okay. So as you can see, this is a original site, so you don't have to worry here. And only after knowing just uh, details about that site, you have to open it by tapping on. So this is how you should do instead of opening it directly. So if you get some other I will show you in another video regarding spam SMS, how they your phone gets hacked, or how your bank account gets hacked when you tap on that link. Actually, you have not only by tapping on the link, but you after tapping on the link, you will enter the detail, and without your knowledge, they will install the spyware, or you may get a call from that perpetrator, and you will unknowingly send tell your OTP of any website SMS from your bank that you receive, and that is how your site gets your phone or your bank account gets hacked, and you lose all your money. I will show you in another video. So this is it. So this is especially useful for you. As you can see, this is how you should thwart the efforts of cyber criminals, because just because it's a short URL and it looks legitimate doesn't mean that it has to be. Many people used to uh, many people used to get pawned by these kind of perpetrators, bad actors. And even though it is legitimate, let me tell you, the company may have the tracking cookies in these kind of sites, or they have all those pop-up messages where you click on it, and it will run on the background, or it will detect the money from your prepaid account or something. And this is not the first case. Okay, so it is always better to avoid opening such emails. So you might have known here. So that's it. Now you know that whenever you get an SMS, whether to whether by seeing the SMS header here on the top, you can see here that is VI care. One is with capital I and the other with small I. Which one is legitimate? Actually, the capital I is also legitimate, but it is always safe to inspect your short URLs that you receive from these kind of service providers for better authenticity. So thanks for watching. Do like this video if you find it useful, and also share to your friends, as it will help you a lot, because many people are getting pawned by these kind of bad perpetrators. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.